1.4.3 establishing parity between minimum age of voting and contesting elections. So when we imagine any Indian politician, majority of us get the image of a person who is at least 50 years old. Yes, almost 90% of Indian politicians are aged politicians. In the Lok Sabha, we have only 2.2% of MPs under the age of 30 years. So, this is also one of the major reasons why our young generation is suffering with unemployment, lack of educational support, lack of research and development processes, etc. So, many of the old politicians generally concentrate on freebies to gain political power and suppress the needs of the young generation. So, youthful representation in the legislative bodies is very important to address the young generation needs, to transform political system and to influence on the government decisions. So, at present, under Article 84, a person who is of 25 years or above can contest in Lok Sabha elections, and under Article 173, 25 years or above candidate can contest in the legislative assemblies elections. So under Article 84 in Rajya Sabha elections, and under Article 173 in legislative council elections, a person who is 30 years of age or above can contest in elections. So for Lok Sabha and legislative assemblies, a person can participate in election process if he has 25 years of age. In Rajya Sabha and legislative council, if he has 30 years of age, then only he can participate in the election process in the Rajya Sabha and the legislative council. So one of the major concerns of less young politicians in India is a person gets the right to vote at the age of 18 years, and he gets the right to contest in elections at the age of 25 years. So there is also there is a long gap between the age of voting and contesting in elections. Next is there are some financial challenges, lack of political knowledge, etc. So due to these minor challenges, the young generation couldn't participate in the election process at the majority level. And some of the recommendations are to encourage the younger generation into politics are reducing the age of contesting the elections. So it is 25 years and 30 years. So this age of contesting elections should be reduced. And reducing the age in contesting elections and providing knowledge and skills which are necessary for the political process, and encouraging the younger generations for decision making in political parties, youth organizations, etc., can be introduced so that young generations of politicians can be born. So these are the major recommendations. So if we reduce the age of contesting elections, if we reduce the gap between the age of voting and the contesting elections age, that can be reduced, young generations can be encouraged. And the major thing is proper skills, political knowledge, and encouragement from the political side should be there for the young generations.